I was looking for an operating system to put on an older laptop that I have here. The one that I found is the Linux Bodhi. Seems to be working pretty good. I uploaded this onto my laptop 2 days ago. Been playing around with it and it's working pretty well. The laptop that I have here, this thing is ancient. This is a HP Pavilion DV9000. This thing was made between 2006 and 2008. That's when I bought it between then. It was discontinued in 2008. It is a dual-core processor. It runs on about 1.9 gigahertz. It came with 2 gigabytes of memory. I increased that to 4 gigabytes. That maxed it out. That is as much gigabytes as you can have on this laptop. The operating system, I found that I searched for what is the best operating system for an old laptop, and I came up with this article from ZDNet. Want to save your old computer? Try these 5 Linux distributions. And the very number one that they have listed here is the Bodhi Linux. Says it's great for those willing to learn new things. So I jumped over to the Bodhi Linux website. And I downloaded the, it gives you a few different versions that you can download. The very bottom one here, the app pack, that's the one that I downloaded. That just simply includes some extra apps. So I downloaded that one and installed that one. I tried to install a couple years ago, Ubuntu on this laptop, and Ubuntu just weighted it down too much. It was just too much power for this old laptop. But this one seems to be working well. There's no operating system that's going to make it extremely snappy, but this works pretty well. Down at the bottom you got a taskbar. It looks kind of similar to a Windows taskbar. Off to the lower right hand side, the very corner icon, that's for notifications. The next icon over is your power management. The next icon over is for your keyboard management. You can change the settings on your keyboard from there. The next icon over is your battery. The next icon over is for your sound. The next icon over is for your clipboard. Then the next icon over, that's the screen recording software that I'm currently running. And then off to the left of that, you have your Wi-Fi. Off to the left-hand side, I have a tab open now in Firefox. To the left of that is my Firefox icon. The only two softwares that I have installed on this so far is Firefox and OBS Studio. Other than that, it's all stock. The next icon over, that is called Thunar File Manager. That is the kind of like the Windows Explorer. If I click on that, it opens up my Explorer. I have my desktop folder here, my documents folder, downloads folder, and so on. The next icon over, they call that the terminology. That is the Linux terminal. The next icon over, it comes with Chromium. That's the default web browser for this operating system. You could always change that if you want to, but it comes with Chromium. Next icon over, that's your start icon. If you left click on that, it brings up your menu, main menu. The top one, applications, you have accessories, preferences, programming, games, graphics, internet, sound and video, Office. It comes with the LibreOffice. That's kind of similar to Microsoft Office. The bottom one there, System Tools. Then you go down below, Places, Home, Desktop, Music. Under that's Quick Launcher. Under that's Take Screenshot. Then you have About Operating System. Then you have Settings. Then below that is System. You can power off, reboot, hibernate, suspend, log out, or lock. Up to the upper left-hand corner, that's where your clock is. Off to the right side, that is your desktop environments. But this operating system, the Linux Bodhi, it has certainly rejuvenated this old laptop. Like I said, I tried using Ubuntu, but Ubuntu was just too heavy on it. Everything was very sluggish. This one, it's no speed racer, but it's usable now. The Linux Bodhi operating system. Thanks for watching.